Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on creating and using Emoji Designer. Emoji Designer is a tool where students or teachers can actually build their own custom emojis. So this is a great tool for any kind of assignment where students are maybe creating a custom emoji based on a character or a feeling or a plot or how something made them felt. Maybe it's a story or it's an assignment or there's lots of cool things with science or features that you could use that have all kinds of different pictures or reactions or things. So a really cool tool. So again, that tool is just called Emoji Designer. So if you do a quick Google search for Emoji Designer, it is the first one that pops up. It's from emojimaker.com, and then there's a designer. They actually have a couple different tools that you can look at or check out. This is the one that I use the most. It's web-based. It's super easy to use. So I just want to walk you through a couple of the features here. So it does start on shape. You'll see right here I'm on shape. So you can kind of choose, animals, different colors, circles, those sorts of things. There are some face options or some things here. You can move it over to things with eyeballs. We've got more shapes. We've got different things. So let's say, for example, we'll just do kind of a basic one. Let's say I kind of want the red face there. Again, I'm on shape. If I flip it over then to face, I can actually do different faces. So there are some sample faces here, or if you could upload your own face, you could do that and you could create your own shape then of your own face and make your own emoji. So that might be something cool for you as a teacher to do, or maybe a project that you have with your students. Then when you're on face, once you chose your shape, there are all kinds of different things here. So I moved to eyebrows or eyes. So maybe we want to go with like, I don't know, I'll just put these in here, right? So we get our eyes there. There are eyeballs now. So we'll go here. Now notice it does lay these over the top of each one. So I can actually move them around. So if I want to take that off, I can get rid of that. And I can do over here on the side, you'll see that there are options for like delete that object. And it's kind of hard because of the size of the screen, but I can get rid of layers if I want to. So I'll put the eyeballs back in there. Maybe some eyebrows, maybe double eyebrows. There's different options for the mouth, all kinds of things to play with. The beards, which gets really fun for kids, especially if we're talking about like characters, sunglasses, hair, just all kinds of stuff. That's really cool that we come here. When you're ready, okay, so when you've created or messed with your emoji and you like how it is, there's just this simple save button. Now, there are no auto save, so as you do go through these, there's no like a Google product where it always saves. You just simply click the save button. You can crop the image if you want, which allows you to always move those, but then we're going to go save. What I usually do is I just download. You can copy the link to this. That link is not usable like in an insert image by URL link, like in Docs or something, but it could be a link that a student turned in, and that would take you to that picture. But usually what we have students do, what I like to do is just download that, and then it will pop up here. And then you can then, at that point, now it's an image. Now I can copy it to the clipboard if I want, or I could show it if it's on my Chromebook. I could download it in my folder, and I could move it around in Google Drive and do different options for those different kinds of things in terms of moving it or using it that way. I could use the image that way. So there's my image I pasted in. So again, once I was here, when I downloaded it, it did download, and one of the options on the bottom, I'll show you again, was copy. So I did copy that to my clipboard, which is like effectively Control C or copy. And then I was able to come over to my Google Doc, and then I can use that just like I would be able to there. Now it is an image. It's not text anymore because it made like a picture, but then I can use that there. So that's a really cool feature to be able to have students or teachers create their own custom emojis.